So, you want to turn $100 into $10,000. Most people say it's impossible, but they're wrong. It all starts with a challenge. Can you find, save, or earn an extra $100? This isn't about luck, it's about action. That first 100 is your seed money, your key to unlocking wealth. Don't just stumble upon it, create it. Work extra hours, sell something, or cut back on expenses. The method doesn't matter, the action does. By doing this, you're building a habit and proving you control your money. This small win builds momentum. Think of it as the first push on a heavy flywheel. The real challenge isn't saving $100, it's what you do next. Most people spend it. You won't. That 100 is your first employee. Its job is to make more money for you. Shift your mindset from consumer to investor. Your goal. Put that money to work. I'm challenging you today. Make a plan to get that first $100. Write it down. Will you skip eating out, sell old games, pick up a gig? Decide and stick to it. This is your foundation. Don't just think about it, do it. The moment you have that 100 ready to invest, you've already separated yourself from the crowd, you're taking action, and that's what creates real results. Don't let this be just another idea you forget. Take the first step, and you'll be on your way to $10,000. Remember, action beats intention every time. Your journey starts now. Before investing, let's find more money to add to your 100. Small daily expenses, like $5 coffees or forgotten subscriptions, add up fast. It's not about depriving yourself, but being intentional. A $5 coffee every workday is $100 a month, $1,200 a year. Imagine adding that to your investment. Even cutting back a few times a week saves hundreds a year. Track your spending for 1 month. Write down every purchase. You'll be shocked where your money goes. Once you know you can make conscious choices, ask, is this more important than your $10,000 goal? Many times it's not. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being efficient. Every dollar you save is another soldier in your financial army. Your next task? Become a detective of your own finances. Scrutinize your bank statements. Use a budgeting app or notebook. Find at least 3 small recurring expenses to cut. This builds discipline and transforms you from someone money happens to into someone who tells their money what to do. Saving, combined with your initial 100, accelerates your journey. Small changes, big results. Start today. You've got your $100 and found extra cash. Now, where do you put it? Forget complicated strategies. Start simple. Index funds or ETFs are great for beginners. Think of them as baskets holding pieces of many big companies. They're diversified and low cost. Historically, the stock market returns about 10% per year. That's the magic of compounding. Your money earns money and then that money earns more. If you want more risk, research individual stocks or crypto, but only invest what you can afford to lose. The key, just get started. Don't get stuck in research mode. With $100, the stakes are low. Open a brokerage account. Many apps make it easy. Put your 100 into a low-cost S&P 500 index fund, ETF. You're now an investor. You've planted your first seed. Keep watering it with savings and give it time to grow. Action beats endless research. Start simple, stay consistent. Let your money work for you. As you start, you'll see ads promising to turn $100 into $10,000 overnight. Don't fall for it. Get-rich-quick schemes prey on your desire for instant results. True wealth is built slowly and steadily. Emotional investing is another trap. Don't let fear or greed drive your decisions. The market goes up and down. Don't panic, buy or sell. Have a simple plan. Invest regularly, no matter what the market does. Stick to it for years, not weeks. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one thing, especially if you don't understand it. Your $100 is precious. Grow it, don't gamble it. Consistency beats luck. Avoiding traps is as important as picking the right investments. Stay focused on your plan. The marathon mindset wins. Real people have turned small amounts into fortunes. Ronald Reed, a janitor, quietly built an $8 million fortune by saving and investing in solid stocks for decades. The Beardstown Ladies, a group of ordinary women, started an investment club, pooled small amounts, and grew a substantial portfolio. Or the person who starts a side hustle, flipping thrift store finds on eBay, reinvesting profits, and scaling up to thousands a month. The principle is the same. Start small, reinvest, stay consistent. What do these stories have in common? They started with what they had, were consistent and patient. Wealth isn't built in a day, it grows over years. These aren't fairy tales, they're proof anyone can do it. If they can, so can you. Your journey starts with belief and action. Don't wait for the perfect moment, start now. Consistency and patience are your superpowers. Ordinary people, extraordinary results. Let these stories inspire you. Your $10,000 journey is possible. Take the first step. Make your story next. The power to change your financial future is in your hands. Start today, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at what you achieve.